Part number 2, Loads and Analysis, has two chapters. Chapter number 5 of the code specifies the load combinations to be used, and chapter 6 of the code specifies the structural analysis methodology. Part number 3, Members, has 8 chapters. Chapter number 7 and chapter 8 of the code specify the design requirements of one-way slabs, two-way slabs, respectively. Chapter 9 of the code specifies the design requirement of beams. Chapter 10 of the code specifies the design requirement of columns. Chapter 11 of the code specifies the design requirement of walls. Chapter 12 of the code specifies the design requirement of diaphragm. Chapter 13 of the code specifies the design requirements of foundations. Chapter 14 of the code specifies the design requirement of plain concrete. Part number 4, Joints, Connections and Anchors, has 3 chapters. Chapter 15 of the code specifies the design requirement of beam, column, and slab column joints. Chapter 16 of the code specifies the design requirements of connection between members. Chapter 17 of the code specifies the design requirements of anchoring to concrete. Part number 5, Earthquake Resistance, has only chapter 18 that deals with design of concrete structures in seismic zones.